Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a team project in Figma. This is incredibly useful if you're collaborating with designers, developers, or stakeholders on a shared workspace where everyone can access the same files and resources. First, open your Figma application. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see the current team you're working with displayed. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Create New. This initiates the process of setting up a brand new team workspace. Next, you'll be prompted to input a team name. Choose something that clearly represents your project or organization, as this will help everyone identify the workspace easily. Once you've entered the name, click Create Team to move forward. This step establishes the foundation of your collaborative environment. Now give it a moment to load. Figma will process your request and set up the team infrastructure in the background. You might see a brief loading screen here, so just be patient while everything gets organized properly. After the team is created, Figma will ask if you want to add collaborators right away. If you have team members ready to join, simply input their email addresses in the provided field. Once you've added everyone you need, click Continue. However, if you're not ready to invite anyone just yet or prefer to set that up later, you can always click Skip for now. This flexibility allows you to configure your team at your own pace. The final step involves choosing a plan for your team. Figma offers 3 different options to suit various needs. There's Starter, which is great for smaller teams or those just getting started. Then there's Professional, designed for teams that need more advanced features and capabilities. And finally, Organization, which is ideal for larger companies requiring enterprise-level tools and controls. Select the plan that best fits your team's requirements and budget. And that's it. You've successfully created a Figma team project, set up your workspace, and chosen the right plan for your needs. Your team is now ready to collaborate seamlessly on design projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.